Rakuten only tracks cash back if the purchase session is linked through their system before checkout, which is why post-purchase claims are the most common reason people don't get paid. By the end of this, you'll know how to still claim Rakuten cash back after a purchase, what actually works, and how to avoid getting your claim denied. First, understand how Rakuten records purchases. It uses a click-through tracking system, meaning your order has to start from a Rakuten link or browser extension activation. If that tracking didn't happen, Rakuten won't automatically see your order. If you forgot to activate Rakuten before buying, your first step is to open the Rakuten app or website and go to the Missing Cashback or Help Request section. This is where you manually report the purchase. You'll be asked to enter details like the store name, order number, purchase date, and order amount. This information helps Rakuten match your claim with the merchant's transaction records. After submitting the request, Rakuten contacts the store to verify the purchase. This is the part that takes time, because cash back isn't released until the retailer confirms the transaction is valid and eligible. Not every purchase qualifies for post-purchase credit. Some stores exclude certain product categories or require strict tracking rules, so even a correct submission can be rejected if the purchase wasn't eligible under their terms. If your claim is approved, the cashback gets added to your Rakuten account balance automatically. You won't need to resubmit or follow up unless the store disputes the transaction. If it gets denied, the most common reasons are using a coupon site outside Rakuten, clearing cookies before checkout, or starting the purchase outside the Rakuten link. To increase approval chances in the future, always activate Rakuten first, then complete checkout in the same session without switching tabs or devices mid-purchase. Quick summary: Rakuten needs tracking before checkout, missing purchases can be submitted manually, and approval depends on merchant verification. Next step is simple. Check your recent orders, submit any missing ones through Rakuten's help form, and make sure your browser extension is installed before your next purchase. If this helped, like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point guides that fix real problems fast.